Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a HUAWEI P30 Pro. First option, go into Play Market and find X icon editor application. This one. Need installing, wait a second for an install. And then open. Wait a second for loading. And then need click close ads, and now need choose your application. So for example, Call of Duty, maybe this one. And now we got two options, background color and shape. So choose your shape, for example like star, and click OK in the top right corner. Wait a second for generating, then close ads one more time, and now need click add to home screen. And now we got a new icon shape of our Call of Duty. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.